Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can automatically highlight a cell or row in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Now let's get started. First method, highlighting cell with a different color in Microsoft Excel. For example, I have this table, it includes salary. I want to highlight the cell value based on salary. Just select these cells, then conditional formatting, highlight cells greater than. Then click this one, select this cell, enter. Then select the color, light red field, yellow field. I selected light red, okay? Okay. Directly it selects the cells which has higher value than a specific value here. For example, I select it 2000. It's the same. 3000 for example. Okay. Or 500. Good. Now, if you want to remove the rule, just select these cells, conditional formatting, clear rule from entire sheet. Great. To highlight entire row, base it on a value. Just select all these cells, conditional formatting, new rule. Then use a formula to determine which cells to format. Click this one. Then click this icon. Select this cell. Then just remove the second dollar sign. Come to here again. Greater or equal sign. Click this icon again. Select this cell. Then from format, select a fill color. From fill, for example, I selected this fill color. And font, I selected bold italic. Okay. Then, okay. You see, it highlights all the rows which has greater salary than 500. For example, 1000. Yes. For example, 3000. Okay. Now, you can select it and enter filter. This filter. Okay. Just now you can click this cell which is highlighted by a different color. Right click. Filter. Then filter by selected cells color. It shows only the cells which has this color. Also, for example, I want to expand it again. Again, right click, filter, clear filter from salary. Okay. Again from here, filter by color. This one. Okay. To remove filter, select this. Then come to here, just uncheck filter. That's all. Have a nice time.